In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $2 every minute starting now, and you'll get paid directly to your PayPal account. So keep watching. Hi, my name is Nate, and I'm with NateValline.com. Welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $2 every minute starting now. But first, if you are new to my channel and want to see more videos on how to make money online or get your side hustle on, or even just improve your skills as a marketer, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And if you do find value in this video or even enjoy it, I would appreciate it if you would give it a like or a thumbs up as well. So let's get into this, and I'll start sharing my computer screen and we'll get right into this. So the website I'm going to want to show you is, if we go to Google, it's called validately.com. And with what this website is it's a way for you to provide feedback based on different tests that companies submit. And so when you work with this website, you're performing reviews, you're giving insight, you're giving your opinion, everything like that for some major companies like Google, Amazon, Allstate, everything like that. You can see there's a wide range of customers that use this website. So you'll be doing different tasks for them. And typically each task, on average, it's about 5 minutes, can be longer than that. And so they'll pay you about $10 for, on average, $10 for about 5 minutes worth of work. Obviously, if you're doing a longer task, that payment might be more. But what you do to get set up with this is you just scroll down on the home screen all the way to the bottom, and you click on this Get Paid to Test link. And so here you're testing websites, like I said, to make money. It's that simple. You might do some other tasks. Maybe they're more objective oriented as opposed to just giving feedback. Maybe you're asked to go through like a sales process or a newsletter signups process or whatever it may be. Things you need to know about this is you must use Google Chrome. You must be 18 years old to do this, and you must have a valid PayPal account. So if you have that information and you can communicate in English, then this is definitely an option for you. And so they do have frequently asked questions if you want to view that. But what you would do is just click here to sign up, or even just this big green button that says Start Making Money. It's pretty simple sign up process. You just go through the create account. It'll ask you several questions, basic questions. Answer them to the best of your knowledge and truthfully, so that you can be paired with the most appropriate tasks. And so you just go through, like I use an Android, so I'll hit next. Computer, I have a Windows PC, hit next. Version, Windows 10, etc. I'm a male, and then etc. Simple questions just like that. And so I'm not going to continue this. I already have an account, and I don't want to give out any sensitive information on my own, but you get the idea. Once you get signed in, you'll start receiving opportunities to take or complete tasks to get paid on. Depending on your demographics, those tests will be available for you. And so, like I said, for about 5 minutes worth of work, you can make about $10. And then once you hit that minimum threshold, they'll pay out directly to your PayPal account that amount of money that you have earned. And it can be as frequently as every single week that you would be getting paid. Now, this is not a way to get rich or create a full-time income by any means. Let me be clear on that. But if you are looking to just make a little extra money, get a little bit of a side hustle going, pay down some bills, take your special someone out to a nice dinner, maybe start saving up for a vacation, or even just to help seed your own startup business, this could be a great option to make a little extra money each month. Now, if you do want to earn a full-time income online and want more information on that, make sure you click the first link in my description. That is for my #1 recommended system on how to earn a full-time income online. Might be something interesting for you to look into. But with that, I want to thank you for watching. If you got any value out of this video or enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the description below. Also, I'd like to hear from you and see what kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. So if you do have any suggestions, again, leave that in the description below. But most importantly, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It's the big red button below. That way you won't miss out on any of my other great videos on how to make money online, get your side hustle on, or even just improve your marketing skills. So with that, my name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. I appreciate you for watching. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.